You see how beautiful this braid looks, and you see how nice the color is. You see how well blended the extensions look. So if you want to learn how to mix braiding hair color or customize braiding hair, then you are actually on the right video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix these extensions, as this is what is actually trending right now. On this video, you'll be learning how to mix colors, because this is actually the color that is trending now on braid, be it knotless braid, boss braid, whatever braid. This has been the color trending. If you mix it very well, you'll get a very beautiful blend color together. So that's the reason for this video. I've done some similar video to this, but I just want this to be very informative and very detailed. So if you're looking to mix colors today, that's the reason why you're clicking on this video. Please sit down, relax. Let me show you how I mix my colors whenever I'm making braids on my client's hair. So without taking too much of your time, let's dive into it. So the colors we're using are 3 different colors, and like you all know, I love expression. Expression is my go-to extension whenever I want to braid, most especially when I'm braiding any hair that have curls at the tip or at the end, or I'm going to create any form of curls on that braid. Definitely I'm using expression, because with expression you will get the real coil pattern that you need. With some other extension, I've tried some other extension, they don't give me good coils like the way expression does. Just in case you want to make a braid that has coils, know that expression is your go-to extension to you. So let's move on to the braids color. The first color is 613, expression 613. This is like a more of a white blonde. If you can see it very well, I don't know what the camera is doing to it, but it's more like a white blonde. And the next expression extension is color 27. This is one of my favorite expression color. It's very beautiful. Mix it with anything, it will give you wow shade. Like the highlighting will be so wow, beautiful. So I love this extension color 27 a lot. On other attachments, I don't know if the 27 shade will be like this shade, but on expression, I love 27. It's very beautiful. The third color that will make it 3 color in total that we're mixing together is this very color 30. I love color 30. Growing up, I don't really use black extension growing up. Whenever I'm making my hair, braiding my hair, even in wigs, I prefer to use color 30 than growing up. So I love color 30. If I don't want to mix color and I just want to pick one color, I will always prefer to go with color 30. You don't go wrong with it. If you are dark skin, it looks good. If you are light skin, it looks even better. So color 30 is my go-to color. If you decide not to mix 3 colors and you want to mix 2 colors, I've mixed color 30 and color 27 on this channel before. I'll be linking the video so you can check it out. Jeez, the color is bomb. It came out really beautiful. Just 30 and 27 came out really beautiful. I'll be linking the video so you just compare it. It really came out really beautiful. But this time on this tutorial, we're going to be missing not just color 30 and color 27. We're going to be missing it. We're going to be including color 613. I know this is going to be wow, it's going to be beautiful. Whenever I make a video on how to mix color or colors that I mix together, I get a lot of comments. Oh, how do you mix this? How do you mix that? What color can I blend together? So that's the reason for this video. Mixing these 3 colors together, it's beautiful. This is actually one trendy color that a lot of ladies love when they are braiding their hair. It has gone viral before. Definitely, I know it's still going to go viral. So if you're looking to mix colors and you're confused on what color to mix, please try this. Most especially when you like a bright color, then you will really love this. The mixture is wow. So what I'm going to do next is to mix the colors together and show you how you can mix the color properly. the full pack, I took half of these, half of these, and half of this, so it's not too much on my hand, so I can easily blend it well. And then I start picking like this. Start picking like this. So the first mixture you're gonna get, this is how it's gonna look like. This is just the first mixture. You see what we have? It's gonna look like this firstly, and then I will start to mix it again.
Let me steal a minute of your time and ask you guys for a favor. Please, I want to know what you think about this blending hair color tutorial. Do you like it? Do you like the way I did the video? Do you like, is it informatory? Are you getting the grip of what I'm trying to explain? Please leave it in the comment section. And also, if you want to support the channel, please do me a favor by hitting on the subscribe button. Press on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos on this channel every Thursday at 2:15 p.m. So if you don't want to miss any of my tutorials, please do me a huge favor by hitting on the subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys, for your understanding.
So when you're done with the second mixture, this is how the extension is going to use. You could see that the mixture, it looks different from the first one. So this is the second one. If you want to go further, you can mix it one more time, which I'm going to be doing shortly. But first, before you mix it one more time, comb it. You can see I didn't really lose much hair. This is what came out of it after combing it. This looks better. You can see when you comb it, you will then be able to see how blend it is. Then if you decide to remix it, that will be okay. Just depends on what you want. Some people want the highlighting not to be properly mixed, but depends on what you want. If you want it to be like really mixed, that you can pick the 3 strands differently on the hair, then you can go ahead and remix it one more time, which I'm going to remix one more time for the sake of this video. If not, this would have been okay for what my client wants, but because of the sake of the video, I'm going to remix it one more time. So what you do when you've combed it, all you need to do is chunky mix. You pick it in chunk. Just look for where colors are not properly blend. You go there and then you pick in between. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. So in some areas, you will notice that the white is in some areas and the 27 is just in one area. So we're going to pick it. So those chunky ones, like on this area, we have more of the white. So I'm going to separate it, mix it with the properly blended ones. So looking at this right now, you will know that it's properly blend together. So the strand, the white blonde 613, the 27 and the 30, they are all together, like properly mixed together. That is what it's going to look like. But let me brush it first so you can see, so you guys can see how it actually look like.
For more hair tutorials like this, please support the channel by hitting on the subscribe button. Press on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every Thursday at 2:15 p.m. Now, this is how you blend your braiding hair color like a pro. This hair came out really, really beautiful, properly mixed together. Please don't forget to let me know in the comment section if this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching.